Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here on the outer ring road service lane to record some raw footages with the GPR Ghost exhaust, and you can see I have mounted my GoPro Hero 12 over here, and I will be connecting it using my DJI wireless mic, which I will place it inside my right pocket so that you get the most closest raw sound of this GPR Ghost titanium exhaust. So the first round is going to be with the DB killer. You can see the DB killer is installed, and after the first round I'm going to remove the DB killer. But in order to experience the true sound of this exhaust note, you will have to use your earphones, because the phone speaker or the TV speaker will never do justice to the exhaust note of this GPR Ghost Inox full system exhaust on the RS457. So you don't want to miss any part of this video, and hence let's get started with the video. You guys saw the first run with the DB killer, and now it's time to remove the DB killer. I have already unmounted it. It is just that I need to pull it. So I just hold it like this. It's very hot. I'll wait for some time for it to cool down, and then I'll keep this in my bag. Super hot, guys. Super hot. Even if it touches the tire, it will burn the tire straight away. So this was some exclusive content on the GPR Ghost Inox full system on RS457 for you guys. Let me know how did you like the exhaust note of this exhaust in the comment section below. And if you want to purchase this exhaust, it costs 71,000. And if you want a discount, you can reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is prakashsuraj17. And this exhaust is available on Motopoto store. They are the official importers of this exhaust. Both the exhaust, the GPR titanium which I had previously, and this exhaust, I have that exhaust also with me. Let me show you from other side how this exhaust looks like. So can you see the exhaust over there? This is how it looks like. It fits properly inside, and no one will be able to know that it's running on a custom exhaust. And now it's time to close this video. I hope you found something useful in this video. If yes, do hit that subscribe button, because it is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.